today I will be playing with my sister and my friend N2BTV and my sister Physio90. Her name in game is Physio90. In real I will tell you. And today's match will be of clutching. Who will clutch the most in the match will win. My sister is not too good at the game, so we are not counting her as the clutcher. But me and my friend are trying to clutch. And my skin is of Yeti. Don't get confused. I just got it today. Oh shit. I know a clutch in this map. That clutch is absolutely good. Oh shit. Shit. I am failing. Very horribly. No! I am too horrible in this clutch, so I am skipping this. Hey guys, I am back and unfortunately my friend N2BTB lost. So I have equipped my chef skin. I left for a second to equip this skin. And after he lost, so this is my favorite skin in the game.
तेरा रियल नाम बता रियल नाम
I know what is the farmer's variant actually. It is good. One is black and one is green. Sorry guys, I was talking to my friend. He was asking, is the farmer's variant good? Because he is in the farmer skin. Oh shit! What the? How can I fail this badly, yaar?
Yes,
I hate this.
I'm sad too.
You are in the lead. But don't forget to do the clutches, yaar. Why am I losing? I'm failing in this clutch. Last time,
No,
my friend hasn't done a clutch yet.
But
And
help.
yes, I did the clutch. Shit! Why didn't my character double jump, yaar? My friend is a stupid. Yes, I have done 2 clutches. This is a clutch battle. This is actually a clutch battle. My friends are 0 and mine is 3. No, mine is actually 2. And my friends are 1. Okay, I am gonna qualify. And this was and I am playing for my sister because she cannot play that good. And by the way, her name is Shivana Agnihotri, my name is Kavish Agnihotri, and my friend's name is Abhyang Chaudhary. Real names of ours. Shivu, you lost.
Then me is lost. Then me brother is
Abhyang,
not lost.
you are going down. I know a clutch in this. Which I am good at. I know 2 clutches in this. My friend is saying I know 0 clutches in this. Yes, I did one clutch.
Then me brother's name is Kavish.
Oh shit. Me and my friend both fall at the same time. Oh, I hate this. I just hate this.
Then
No, I couldn't do that up and down one.
my
Oh shit. One guy is ahead than me and I'm almost at the finish line. Shit. qualified.
I'm two YouTubers.
My friend qualified after me, even though he was ahead from me.
My sister, two YouTubers.
My clutches are 3. My friend's clutches are 3.
My
3 all.
my two
Honey drop.
YouTubers.
My friend likes this map and I like this too.
And me too.
My friend is saying that I am gonna lose in this one. Abhyang, you are going down. Share. Why did I even say anything? Whatever I say, I am wrong. I am in the second one, yaar. Yes, my friend is also on second. I am using all the second. I am using all the double platforms, so anybody can't use it. Oh shit! Oh bhai. Oh bro, I am at the last one. I am at the last one. I am panicking. Abang, are you still in the game?
Yes.
Because we two are only remaining. Yes, Abang filled. Yes, I'm the winner of the first match. This was terribly OP.
Time leave and new skin.
Okay, let me start the game. I hate it.
I hate that.
Abhyang is saying he will flex on me.
I hate that map.
Abhyang will never even flex on me because he is a noob.
I hate that map. I love
Shoot!
that.
Shut
honey
up.
drop.
Shut up.
I love that honey drop.
Shivangna love honey drop. She's saying that. I know a clutch in this one. At the third one, I know how to walk on the edge. Yes, I did that. I didn't touch the hammer. Hammer clutch isn't anything. Hammer slows you down, but keeps you ahead. So that's a disadvantage. See and learn. I am doing a clutch. Bruh. Abhyang, I did another clutch. Yours are 3 and mine are 4 because I did a clutch. My sister is losing and my friend is crying because he qualified after me. Just kidding, he's laughing because he flexed on me. Because he's a noob. He laughs on this thing only. Shivu, what is the clutch in bombardment? There are no clutches in this map. At least I think so. Oh, bruh. I just love this. Bomb just passed me. I won and touched a bomb. Abhyang, did you qualify? My friend lost. My friend fell first in the water. No, Shivu, you cannot play in 100. Shivu, you will lose. Next time I will give it to you when 100 drops. Shivu, when I am not recording a video na, I will give it to you. Nahi. Oh shit, why can't my character move, yaar? That was seriously cheating. My character wasn't moving. How could I play? My friend is laughing. My friend is actually laughing because I couldn't walk. I won. What the? Shivu, don't be a crying baby, yaar. If I would have a face cam, na, Shivu, round over. Shivu. Next time when 100 drop will come, I will not give it to you. Do you want it or not?
Yeah, come on.
Okay, when I am not recording a video, I will totally give it to you. I will get honey drop and give it to you only. I will not even play. Stop करना है तेरे को. Guys, I just paused because I wanted to talk to my friend. I know a clutch in this one, but I hate to do that. You guys see how I terribly failed at doing that clutch and almost lost. My friend seriously got a head start from me and is behind me now. What? Why did I terribly fail in this clutch every time? That's why I hate this clutch. That's why I hate every clutch actually. But I am still good at this game, little bit. No! Why can't my character do even one clutch? My friend is still stuck on the boxes. I'm not even trying to do this clutch. I'm doing it normal way. But I know one clutch which is easier for me to do. Yes, I did a clutch and my friend also did a clutch. I have 5 and my friend have 4. I am a little bit pro at clutching, but oh bro, that was the best moment in my life. Shivu, I am trying to make you win. Oh shit. You qualified 15th. I qualified 10th. Shivu, sorry, I couldn't make you win. Shivu, sorry. I will make you win next time. Don't be sad. Matlab my friend was ahead then. I know clutch in this. My friend loves this map and I love this too. Because I know clutch in this. Shit yaar. Oh what the what? Which scene? Oh what? What the what? Why can't my character do this clutch? My friend isn't doing any clutches. Yes, my character finally did that clutch. Yes, I did another clutch. I have 7 clutches. I did another one. I jumped from... My friend also did a clutch. I jumped from slide to slide. I fell in the hole, yaar. Because my character was actually not. My friend also did a clutch. I also got eliminated, yaar. Okay, I am pausing. So guys, the round is over. Shivu, do you want to play this or not? So you can play another game if you want to. Okay, my sister doesn't want to play anymore because she is losing. Abhyang, you want to stop? There is a timer na. Click on that and click the timer near your screen. Click on that and click the pause. Next up, please 5-watt push. I failed terribly doing the clutch. I also did that. But I was on somebody's head. Hey, you don't have 9 clutches. Don't fake, huh? You don't have 9. Hey, you don't even have 8. You have 6 clutches. Oh, sorry, you have 7. I am doing the clutch. In the name of clutches. In the name of clutches. Yes, I did the clutch. I did the clutch. I skipped the hammer. I totally skipped that hammer and ball part. Abang, so much. I did that last one. Abang, come. I am waiting for you to flex on you. Okay, you eliminate. You eliminated, right? I also did that clutch which you did, Abhyang. So mine are 10 and your are, because mine were 8 and your were 7 and I got 2 clutches. So 10. I did one clutch where I skipped the hammer and ball part. See my video as a proof. I was recording that. Starting off the lead and not doing that clutch. This clutch I saw on YouTube. This is recently not that famous, but yeah, recently many people do this, so I also did it. I qualified first. My friend is saying, walk the builder, we will break it. My friend is saying he don't have the option of mic. My friend, did you saw how terribly you got eliminated?
That's why I watched the problem.
Hey, मैं भी corner से गया था. I mean, I was also gone from the corner. Mine are 10 because I was also going from the corner. Oh, laser tracer. I have never. Shibu, I am sad, but you can't punch. It is hard. Oh shit, guys, I cannot move. JK. Oh shit, guys. Oh, what? I double jumped on my screen when I was clicking normal. This time I double jumped on my own. How are 2 people remaining in this match? My friend is saying, please, I qualified. OP. You got to see this dance every time because now I am a pro.
Hello, go के साथ
Reconnecting to the power.
Hello, go के साथ खेल रही हूँ.
My friend is gonna lose this one too. And to BTB the noob. I am so good at rhyming. He's a noob and crying, baby. Whoa. This was a roast 1 billion. Tile fall. I seriously hate this one. No one. No, I didn't saw. So meaning you have to show me a video proof. So I will count that you have done 10 clutches. So for now you are not 10, but for you it is 10. You fall. I saw that. No. But I didn't saw. So I choose the correct platform. Okay, so mine are also 11 because I chose the correct platform. and that's hard to choose the correct one. My friend is saying it's impossible. For my friend it's impossible. For me it's easy. My friend is saying he always chooses the wrong platform. Okay, just kidding. He was saying the opposite to what I was saying. Okay, my friend was saying. Okay, my friend was saying that he is good at selecting tiles. For me, it is possible. But Abhang, did you qualify on the first round? Why my character was not moving? My character was seriously not moving. Abhang, can you please wait for me for some time? No, I am more pro than you. And not going for the side. Hello? Oopsie, maybe my friend dropped the phone by mistake. Wait a minute, I am calling him again. Yes! I have flexed on my friend. I flexed on my friend finally. Wait a minute, maybe I dialed the wrong number. Yeah, why does it always say to dial it slow? Why? My friend is gonna lose terribly in this one, and I can guarantee that. If he wins, then he wins. I don't care. My friend, maybe his Hello Abhyang, why did you touch the laser? And why didn't you move? Tell me. Hello Abhyang, are you on the call? My friend is saying to keep it on hold. I will listen to him. Oh, bro. Qualified, easy peasy lemon squeezy. So that's it for the video, guys. Thanks for watching. Peace out.